basics of guided meditation. When it comes to following along to a guided meditation, it's pretty simple. You sit, close your eyes, and follow the guide in your mind. Here are some precautions to take note of, as well as a number of tips to follow in order to gain the most from your experiences. Safety always comes first, and there are a number of safety points to be aware of. Guided meditations quite often use techniques to relax you. Never listen to them while you're driving, operating any machinery, if you're responsible for the safety of others, or doing anything other than sitting in a safe and relaxed environment where you will not be disturbed or needed for the length of the meditation. Even if you don't plan on relaxing and are just checking a meditation for its content, treat it the same. Some guided meditations, including the ones in this program, contain language, music, and sound effects that work on an unconscious level to guide you into a deep meditative trance. Sometimes the relaxation is simply irresistible, and you'll be in a relaxed state without even realizing.